So hello everyone, a very warm welcome and a very good evening. My name is Kunal Kapoor. I am the financial expert for the day. I hope everyone is doing good and everybody is ready to learn a new strategy. So you might have already checked in the description the name of the strategy which we are going to talk about is Horizon. How we are going to apply this strategy? What are the things you need to focus on? How you can apply it manually, automatically. I will be talking about everything. And before starting this session, before kicking off this session, I just want to confirm one thing, that the comment section trader is already active. So in case if you will be finding any difficulties, any doubt, question, query, feel free to write me over there. And at the same time, before we'll kick off the session, I just want a quick piece of information from your side if my audio and video is clear, because I want to make sure that everything is streamlined and things are going properly, so that we can have a smooth communication. So just give me a quick confirmation and then we will kick off the session. And the strategy which I have already mentioned, Horizon, we will be talking about that, how that can be applied. So just give me a quick moment. Let me also check with my device as well if everything is working fine. Okay. Perfect. So I can see I have already checked with my own device also, so things are looking streamlined. But still, in case if you will be facing any difficulties, any question, doubt, queries, guys, feel free to write me in the comment section. So it's not only going to be about the strategy itself. We will be talking about some another aspects also, like some important topics like money management, risk management, how you can set up your goal, what are the things you are supposed to consider before executing any trade. So we will be trying to cover everything. And if you are new to the channel, I request you, please subscribe the channel, be part of the family, so whenever we will be coming live again, you will be getting a confirmation, you will be getting a notification, because on this channel, traders, we are conducting sessions in 8 different languages: Hindi, English, Portuguese, Thai, Arabic, Indonesian, like whichever you are comfortable with, you can explore the playlist, and I'm sure that you will be getting n number of information and number of strategies which you can use to improve your trading, because this is the only motive which we have. So let's kick off the session without wasting any more time. So the screen which is visible to you, that is the application version which I have downloaded in my laptop. Some of the dear traders might be using a mobile application, so the interface can be different, but whatever you are required to use this strategy, everything is available on, okay, in both the formats. Okay, so let's start how you can apply this strategy. Let me give you some information about that one. So for that one, all you just need to go to this technical analysis button. Once you click on this one, just go to the strategy tab, start scrolling down, and here we go, Horizon. So it's an expert level strategy with these 3 lines. We can confirm it's a expert level strategy. This can be used for FT, which means fixed time trading, FX, which means forex mode. Once I'll click on that one, a new window is going to pop up, a small descriptive video like how this strategy is supposed to work. In the written format, everything is visible there. What technicals we are going to use? So we are going to use SMA, simple moving average 5, and simple moving average 22. MACD is also there. So once I'll click on enable strategy, everything is going to be visible on my screen. Now those traders, those who haven't reached on the expert level so far, so of course they might be thinking that this session is not something like which is going to be useful for them. So traders, understand one thing, we are always taking care of such scenarios. So let me tell you one thing, that this strategy can be applied manually also. Yes, you heard it right. So I'll show you how you can apply it manually. Okay, so there is a comment from Baxtior. Why I can't withdraw my add cash? So Mr. Baxtior, just connect with the support team, because see, this 1 hour is basically focused only for trading. Support team is already there, so support/-en at Olymptrade.com. You can write to them, they will be guiding you with everything. And at the same time, just a small piece of information, that whichever payment method you have used to make your deposit, only that will be in your withdrawal, that can be used as a withdrawal. Okay, so make sure you focus on that part. Now let me tell you that how this strategy is working, and after that I will also explain that how this strategy can be applied manually. So in case if anybody of you is not on the expert level and this strategy is locked for you, I'm repeating myself again and again, do not buy this strategy. Yes, no need to buy this strategy. This can be applied manually. Just allow me a second, I will just explain that also. Okay, so first let's talk about that how this strategy is working. So in this one, major three things we are going to focus on. The first one is these Heiken-Ashi candles. So these are not the basic Japanese candle, these are the Heiken-Ashi candles. So in Heiken-Ashi candle, the beauty of these candle is that they are going to confirm, or like they are going to tell you that what could be the direction of the market with the help of their color. So as everybody is aware about that, what are the colors of the candles? Green means market up, red means market down. Very easy, very crisp. No, I don't think like there should be some confusions. Now let's talk about SMA, simple moving average. So in this one, simple moving average, these are going to act as like a trend follower indicator. So these are the two SMAs, SMA 22 and SMA 5. So yellow one, let me just make it more thicker so that will be more easy for you to. Okay, so 22 is already thicker one. Now let me make it 5 also. Okay, so all we are just going to focus on the direction of the lower frequency. In whichever direction the lower frequency SMA is going to intersect the higher one, that could be the direction of the market. Now traders, understand and focus on one thing. I am stating that could be the direction. I'm not stating that that will be the direction. The reason behind these are just some mathematical calculation based technical tools. There is a possibility like these trades, like they will be making great calculation and you will be able to grab a hold on that one, but at the same time there is a possibility that sometime you need to bear with them. So what I'm just trying to tell you, that it's not only about the technical which you have, you should also work on your risk management and money management. It's not that we will be investing everything in a single trade after getting excited that I come to know about a new technical, so I just had a conversation with Kunal or with my personal analyst or any XYZ person and he taught me that how exactly it is working. No, this is not like that. Okay, so we will be focusing on the direction of the SMA. The second confirmation we will be getting with the help of SMA. So with the MACD. So in MACD, as you can focus that there are major three things. Let me show you. So the MACD line, signal line and histogram. So majorly we will be focusing on the MACD line and the signal line. So in whichever the MACD line will be intersecting the signal line, that could be the direction of the market. So we will try to relate both of them. If both the confirmation we are getting all together, we will try to take a trade. No need to bother yourself. Like if anything is confusing, like if you are not able to grab anything, nothing to worry. We are just about to start our live action. So I will be taking some trades also while using this strategy. So nothing to worry. And let me just open a couple of assets, and at the same time traders, understand one thing. It's a financial market. There is a possibility of partial and fully capital loss. So considering that thing, always focus on your technicals, on your learning parts. It's not only about investing money, it's also about investing time. So you need to make sure you need to take care of these aspects also. Second thing, even though this session is live, but there is a telecast gap which lies between somewhere around 25 seconds, 30 seconds to 1 minute. So there is a possibility that the trade which I will be opening right away in front of you, that will be visible to you after a couple of candles, like after a couple of seconds. So of course that can lead to some negative results if you will try to do some copy trading. So this is also something which you need to focus on. And the last thing, all the trades which I am going to take, I have taken in the past, I will be taking during this session. Everything is depending on my skill set, on my experience. So I will be the responsible one for them. So let's start. I can see that there are some comments also. I will be coming to the comments as well, but before coming to that, so I have made a few changes. So if we will talk about the MACD, so signal line and the MACD line, whenever they are intersecting, and that is the same time when this MACD line is intersecting the base level. So if you think that so many colorful lines are there and which are creating some confusion, you can hide rest of them and you can keep only one. Okay, now let's talk about this strategy in practice, or we can do one thing, like I am more fond of the Japanese candle, because with the help of Japanese candle, of course, you can draw some what we call patterns like support, resistance. If you are not that good in majority patterns like double head shoulder or something like that one, double shoulder head and shoulders, something like that. So the easiest one is the best. You can focus on the support and resistance levels. Even though US market is about to be open, so you can take a break, and during this break, of course, we can have a chit chat, we can have a conversation. So I believe that would be the best time to talk. Okay, so I will keep on juggling my balls. I will keep on shuffling my cards just to find the best signal, and wherever we will be finding any confirmation, we will be opening up a trade, and then I will try to explain that on what basis I have taken that trade, what are the things I have taken care of. And the suggested time frame for this strategy, the suggested chart time frame is 1 minute, and the trade time frame is 2 to 3 candles. You can increase the chart time frame also, and the trade time frame will be working accordingly. The same technical, the same set of rule can be applied on the forex mode also, but in that one, all you just need to focus on that the time frame should be a bit longer. And it's not only about the trade time frame, it's also about the time frame of your chart also. I'll try to explain that also. There can be an opportunity sooner or later, but we will not be picking that trade. The reason behind the market is somewhere in the consolidation. So if you try to focus, the market is somehow it's flat. So let's shuffle the card, and let's try to focus on another. I'm not sure if we will be getting enough signals to execute the trades, because US market is about to open. We can expect some consolidations, we can expect some flat markets or some volatility. So I believe that should be completely fine, because rather than taking an incorrect trade, I believe that we should not take a trade. Let's stay calm, just observe the market, how exactly it is working, because a trader is always used to grab the opportunity, but successful trader always focusing on a correct or a successful opportunity, or the correct right opportunity. So it's not always that you have to grab everything, just grab that opportunity where you are sure about. Okay, so I don't think like market might be able to, or even though if there is a intersection, if we were supposed to take a trade, that was a better situation. Just give me a second. If we would have entered the market on this part, this reason behind, now the market is somewhere, let me just take first trade. Okay, so let me explain that on what basis I have taken this trade. So I have taken this trade on the basis of the support and resistance level. Let's see if this level will be breached, then I believe that the market will move into the same direction for at least 1 or 2 candles, and I believe the level is already yes, level is breached. This trade is looking negative already. Let me do one thing, let me just increase my capital amount and try to recover that. Okay, so let's move to the another asset. Let's try to explore it there. Okay, so no signals so far. Traders, in case if you will be finding any signal on any asset, just let me know in the comment section. I will be trying to take a trade on that one. In the meantime, I will also explain that how like if that signal is worthy or not, because of course like sometime you need to apply this strategy on your account also to understand whether it is working for you or not. But at the same time, I can also try to guide you. I will be taking trade if that is suitable on my account, so you will get to know that whether that strategy is working or not, or whether you have grabbed the information what is required or not. Okay, so let me do one thing, let me take a couple of comments. Okay, so let's start. Designer Jeans is asking how I can get RFTs. So Mr. Designer, once you will start moving ahead on your trader space, so once you will reach on the expert level, so you will start getting RFTs. Let me show you. So like on every second or third step you will be getting some RFTs. So as you can see that on third step you will be getting some RFTs, and then on fifth then I believe on 7th also. So slowly and gradually, when you will keep on moving ahead on your traders way, you will be getting some RFTs. And the best part that these RFTs, they are not having any expiry date, so it's not required that you have to use it then and there. So as you can see that I have a lot of RFTs, and these are not something like which I have gained even within a 1 month or 2 months. These I have been collecting from a very long time, and I am using them whenever it is required. Okay, so we got one more question, comment from Mr. Rafael. I lost all my money, $1,500 yesterday. See, Mr. Rafael, one thing, I'm so sorry to know about your losses, but let me tell you one thing, that if you are considering that much big capital as a stop loss, then I think you should think about it. Reduce your stop losses. It should not be like that, like you will be wiping out your complete capital in a single day. You need to focus on that part. And also just tell me, Mr. Rafael, that if you are using any technicals or strategy, just give me some information so that I will try to help you to make some recoveries. Okay, so Jalalagarh is asking, sir, withdrawal 3-day pending problem, please support. Jalalagarh ji, I'm so sorry if you are facing some difficulties, but withdrawal standard time frame is somewhere around 24 to 5 working days. Just wait for some time. Like once your turn will be there, required team will be working on that one, and your amount will be processed. Nothing to worry. Sir, if I invest 50, then how much we can earn? Hack and tricks by Faisal. See, Faisal, understand one thing. There are no such limits that how much maximum you can earn. Because it's a trading platform. See, so of course you can increase your capital, but I am not trying to fascinate you that you will be able to make millions in a single day, or like even within 1 hour you will be a millionaire or a billionaire. You have to invest some time. If you are investing $50 on the platform, if you will take it as a marathon, I can tell you one thing, that you will be able to hold your breath for a longer period, and you will be able to cover max to max distance. By that, I am just trying to tell you that you will be able to make a nice capital. But if you think that I want to make everything streamlined, even within 1 hour, 2 hour, or within 1 day, that can create some issues, because that can lead to some over trading or some revenge trading. And there is a possibility that you might be able to make a huge capital, but after some time you will start wiping it out. So you need to focus on. Cartoon Vibes, I wish I could help you with that one, but we are not allowed to provide you that. Sometime I am conducting some webinars where I am coming up with some challenges, and I am giving away some RFTs, but today unfortunately that is not the one. But real money is not allowed. I'm so sorry for that. Zishan, walaikum salam. Mithun is stating, I have deposited money, not reflected. It's been 6 days. Mithun, I request you, please connect with the support team. They will be the best one to guide you. Okay, so I have 3 trades. Okay, that is a different call. Okay, let me see. So we have taken 2 trades so far. One was positive, one was negative. This trade I already assumed that was looking like that it will go to negative. The reason behind that, when I was focusing on the support and resistance level, so the level was already breached, but I miscalculated, and that led to a negative result. But at the same time, when I just observed my mistake, so I have tried to recover it, and we have made it turn. Okay, so there was a very nice signal, but again we have missed it. No worries, we'll try to focus on. Okay, so traders, if you have any doubt, question, query, feel free, keep on writing in the comment section. I will be coming again to them. Nothing to worry about that one. Okay, so I believe there can be an opportunity for the up trade. That is again based on the support resistance level. Let's find something which is based on the strategy. Okay, so there can be a signal sooner or later, but at the same time the resistance level is quite near, because this can be a resistance level. So the maximum is 1.33626 and currently 1.33609. so the only window we have, that is somewhere around 0.2020 points. So let's see, let's look for that, if any confirmation is there. Even though the previous candle was quite fascinating, big body, very small wick, so that can be considered. But okay, let's open our first trade, which is based on the strategy. So the first intersection we got with the SMAs, SMA 5 intersected SMA 22. At the same time, this MACD is also trying to breach this level. So let's see how this trade will go. So we have opened one position for $15, 2 minutes. So 2 candle trade is going to be there. Let's see if we will be getting more opportunities. Okay, so now some traders might be asking me, sir, like why we haven't opened this opportunity here. The reason behind that, we got one confirmation here, but the second MACD confirmation was quite fast. So we will try to grab something like which are quite near, and at the same time there was a very nice resistance level. Like even though the market was somewhere in the consolidation, but if you try to observe, market was stuck somewhere at the same level. So market bounced back. Let's see, let's try to explore some more assets. And it's not only that you will be able to use this strategy only on these assets. Of course you can explore them on different one else as well, but the set of rule is going to be remain same. Okay, so no support resistance level quite near. The breach is here, but MACD level was reached quite early. Let's try again. So we'll shuffle the cards again from the beginning. Okay, so Euro USD, no signals. Stable also, there is no signals. So traders, those who haven't reached on the expert level and the strategy is locked for you, let me just tell you, until and unless we are not getting any signal, let me tell you that how we can apply this strategy manually also. So all we just need SMA 22, SMA 5, MACD. So just click on this technical analysis tool, click on add type SMA, click on that one. So which frequency we need, 5 or 22? So first I'll click on that one. I'll just switch change it to 5. Click on back rather than clicking on this close, remove or reset. Click on back. Again click on add more tools, SMA. This time I need another frequency, so it should be 22. Make sure you change the color so that you will be able to differentiate them. So you can observe 22 and 5, 22 and 5, and then that's how you can apply the MACD also. Once you will apply the complete strategy, click on these 3 dots, click on save strategy, next, and the strategy which was paid for some of the traders, those who were not on the expert level, now the next minute that strategy will be unlocked for you. And how it is going to be visible on your screen, so let me show you. So that will be visible somewhere in the custom strategies like this one. So you can use it from there every now and then, and in case if you skip something, if you miss that how the strategy can be used, so of course you can explore that specific small description video also. And at the same time I'll make sure that I will save this session which we are conducting today on the YouTube channel itself. So whenever you want to explore it, or whenever any of your known dear one want to check that how this strategy works, so of course they can explore the playlist part, because on this channel we are conducting sessions in 8 different languages, trader, as I have already mentioned, so they can take full benefit of that. Okay, so our next trade, GBP USD OTC, that went positive also, very nice. These 3 trades are looking negative. These are about to be closed. Just give me a second, guys. Let me have a look on these previous trades. They are not looking good. No worries, I'll try to recover them later on, even though I have already made some extra, so that is fine. I'll try to recover. Okay, so very nice. So there can be a signal. No, the market is somewhere near the resistance level. If this level will be breached, we'll try to open another trade in the upward direction. Let me focus if any another level is there. So traders, every now and then I am talking about one common thing or one common term, like resistance level is there, support level is there. So my dear traders, those who are not aware about that one, like what exactly I am talking about. So whenever market is moving into any certain direction, like in upward direction or in the downward direction, there are some certain level where we are finding that market is getting stuck. Like market is, like you can consider, like let me just give you an example. Like this one is a very nice example. So market was trying to move into the downward. Market got stuck. There was a what we call a rejection for the price, and market closed in the upward direction. Again, the same happened here, the same happened here. So the more and more time the market will be getting stuck. So if that level is below the chart, so that will be considered as a support. If that is on the top of the chart, that will be considered as the resistance level. Okay, so as what we have observed, so in case if any level is getting breached, like whether it's a support level or it's a breach level, then market is trying to move into that same direction for at least one to two candles, or like 2 to 3 candles. So in case if you're using any strategy which is based on the Japanese, again I'm repeating myself, if that is based on the Japanese trend, you need to focus on 3 major things. First one, there should not be any support or resistance level nearby. If any level is there, wait for the breach or wait for the bounce back. Second thing, always trade in a trending market, as there is a quote that trend is your friend. So make sure that you always try to hold hand of your friend and then try to move into the market. By that I mean to say, market is moving in 3 different directions: upward, downward and sideways. Do not take trade in sideways. I'm repeating myself again. Do not trade in a sideways market ever. Third thing, whenever you are going to execute any trade, make sure you consider the previous candle formation also. Previous candle formation means, let me make it easy to understand, because see, n number of candle patterns are there, like doji, shooting star, hanging man, like n number of are there. So I'm not sure like whether you will be able to get a hold on or understand or memorize it or not, but let me make it very easy in a single line. Bigger the body, shorter the wick. That candle can be considered as a nice candle. I'm repeating myself again. Bigger the body, smaller the wick. Like, let me show you some example. Like this one, there is no wick. This one, very small wicks. This one is not a ideal candle. Once you will start getting to know about the candle pattern, then of course you will understand that what is the name of this candle, or what we call this candle also. So of course there can be a reversal, or n number of things can be there. But if you want to make it easy, if you're new to the trading, let me clear again these 3 conditions, and these are applicable only on Japanese, because in Heiken Ashi the formation is in a different manner. So this is only based on the Japanese candle. So the bigger the body, smaller the wick, suitable candles. Second, always trade in trending market. And third, there should not be any support or resistance level nearby. Okay, so we got one more positive trade, CAT CHF OTC 2 minute, very nice. So the strategy is working very nice today. Okay, so let's try and try to explore a few more, and then I will be coming to the comment section. Also, traders, if you have any doubt, question, query, feel free to write me in the comment section. I'm still active for at least next 32 minutes, so of course I will be taking, or let me do one thing, let me take a couple of comments. By the I have deposited, so where I have money not withdraw. Pramod Patel ji, just requesting you connect with the support team, they will be guiding you with that one. And if you have raised a request, please just give some time, relevant team will do the needful. Okay, so again question from the Faisal sir, kindly tell me if, okay, so I believe Faisal, I have already answered your question, but still if anything is pending, just let me know in the comment section. Okay, so what else? Which are the current best buying 5-second market today? See, Mr. Jonathan, thank you for the SMA hint. It's beautiful. I'm glad to see that you are finding it useful. See, Mr. Jonathan, like there are n number of technical tools, like, or n number of assets, sorry, like which you can use to trade for 5 seconds. But I'll suggest try to avoid in the beginning. If you're new to the trading, I know, because see, 5-second trading is very exciting. You can make quick money, but flip the coin, you can lose quick money also. See, you need to focus on that part, I request you. So try to avoid taking trades on a very short duration. Once you will start grabbing a hold on market, then of course you can do that one. But until and unless you are quite new, I'll request you to avoid. And again, coming back to your question, so it's not like that there is some specific technicals or sorry, the specific assets you need to pick. Just make sure that there should be proper movement, or like proper trend should be there in the market. It should not be a consolidation market. Zishanji, I'm so sorry. I wish I could help you with that one, but we are not allowed. KRG is saying it's a scammer. 20,000. Okay, so here I'm so sorry that you made some losses on the platform, but let me tell you one thing, that we are regulated by the government of Vanuatu. We are also member of FinCom, so there is nothing like that one. And apart from that, understand one thing, sir. If we are scammer, then why we are spending so much resources, we are spending so much time in guiding traders to make profits? Because we want you to make profits. Like, it's going to be a very vast topic if I'll try start talking about that, why the reason we are conducting these sessions. But let me just tell wind up this conversation with one line, that even we are also trying to help our traders in different formats, where we are trying to guide them that how they can improve their trading skills. And this is for everyone traders. Like, we are providing 3 services, and all services are going to be free. Of course, we are not going to charge you anything. Like, it's not only about that YouTube sessions are free. We are also conducting 1-to-1 live sessions on Zoom. So like me, we have a personal analyst team. So we are conducting sessions where we are talking about different technical strategies, market news, just to help our traders in their trading concerns. And as I have already, just one second. Yeah. So what I was saying, so like as I have already mentioned, that we have a team of personal analysts, those who are taking care of these concerns, those who are giving free sessions. And during these sessions, they are going to talk about technicals, graphicals, fundamental market news, everything, just to help you with your trading concerns. And as I have mentioned the same thing multiple times, whether you are going to take 1 session or 1,000, all these sessions are going to be free. Okay, so if you are on because currently this service is only for the expert level holders. So if you have reached on the expert level holders, feel free to join us. So you can either make sure you update your contact number on the profile, so we will try to reach out to you. In case if you are not able to update your contact number, or you received the call but you unfortunately you missed it, or you saw it's an international number, because sometime like when we are calling, so it's a +44 UK number. So if you saw it's an international call, so you missed the call, or that went to the spam, or any XYZ reason, and as a result that you were not able to connect with us, let me give you the best solution for that. Or even that is for them also, those who have reached in on the expert level in the past, but because of any XYZ reason they were not able to grab that opportunity, and again back to the advanced or starter level. Just drop an email, SMS, or just via call. Just tell the support team that you need some guidance in trading. Share your contact number with them. Please avoid sharing personal details in the comment section on YouTube. Just share it with them and ask them that you need some guidance in trading. Please raise a callback request. That's it. So once you will raise that request, that will come to my department. Someone from our department will come into the picture. We will give you a call, and then we will align your further session. And as I have already mentioned, traders, I believe that I expect some reaction on that one, some emojis on this information, that whether you are going to take 1 session or 1,000, all sessions are going to be free. Okay. Okay, so Rohit ji is asking, hello sir, how are you doing today? I am good. Rohit ji, how about you? I would like to congratulate you and your colleagues for the amazing webinar you host. Keep it up. I would like to know the literal meaning of the word horizon. Rohit ji, thank you so much for your best wishes. Of course, we will try to continue experimenting and coming up with the new these topics and everything. And if you talk about the word horizon, that is not something like which is specific we are going to talk about, or what exactly we are going to take care of that one. But in a short way, that shows that where the earth and the sky appears to meet. So it's like a liner. So it's like you are standing on a mountain or at a place that nothing is there in your view, and you can observe that the earth and the sky, both of them are connecting at one place. So that can be considered as or that is a basic meaning of horizon. And I believe here also we are going to focus on two major aspects, like SMAs, intersection, and MACD, and when we are trying to connect them together, and then we are trying to grab a hold, or we are trying to grab the opportunity. Zishan ji, I wish I could help you with that one, but unfortunately we are not able to help you with that one. Okay, so let me see what another comments. I'm so sorry if I have scrolled it. Okay, I'm so sorry guys if I'll Jisan ji, I request you, please do not spam in the comment section. Okay, zone trading is also stating the same thing. Zone trading, please share your experience that why do you believe like that. Okay, so this is legal in India or not? See, Mr. Kid's favorite, in the last September we have completed our 11 years in the market. So we have celebrated our 11th anniversary. So if we were not legal, of course we would have already winded up. So everything is streamlined. You can use our platform. Okay, zone trading. Zone, just tell me that what's the reason. Why do you think like that? So like I will be able to explain that one. Okay, just give me a second. So let me just take. Okay, what is the result which you placed? Ra, so I have taken a couple of trades, so majority of them were positive. One trade was a negative. So far we have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trade on the basis of this strategy. One was negative, 4 were positive. These are the 2 trades which I have taken in the before the session, so we will not be considering that one. Let's do one thing. Let's take a couple of more trades, and then again I'll be coming back to the comment section. In the meantime, if you will be finding any difficulties, doubt, question, query, feel free to write me there, and let me see if any opportunity is there, or we can try to grab that one. Okay, so the signal is there, but the signal is quite old. I'm just trying to catch a running train. Let's see if we will be able to succeed or we will met with an accident. Okay, so no, one signal is there, the intersection of SMAs, but at the same time the another signal is quite old. Let me observe if any support resistance level is there nearby. Or let me do one thing. Let's take another trade with the RFTs. So traders, those who are not aware about that what exactly RFT is, so the name is risk-free trade. So the meaning is already there in the name. So it's a trade without risk. So by that I mean to say, before applying the trade, if you are going to apply a RFT on that one, so if the trade will go positive, of course you are going to get the profit. That is quite obvious. But if the trade will go negative, you will not face the deduction of the amounts, like the amount which got deducted from your trading account, that will be refunded instantly. Like it's not that you are supposed to raise a request or you need to contact someone or you have to wait for some time. Once the trade is closed negative, you will get like that amount will not be deducted from your account, that will be refunded back. So this is the best part. There are no expiry for the RFTs, so that is completely fine. If you are going to use it today, tomorrow or day after, market is stuck somewhere in the resistance level. Okay, I believe that market will bounce back. Let's open another trade on composite index. Okay, so this one, no, nothing else. US market is already open, so we can expect some volatilities, we can expect some sudden movements in the market, so that is completely fine, completely accepted. Okay, very nice. So there is a quite new signal. So intersection of SMAs plus at the same time MACD intersection was quite near, like it's not like too late. Let's see. I might open one more trade on the same opportunity, but not on this candle. I'll be waiting for the next candle. Let me analyze it for 30 seconds also. Okay, so what exactly 30 second is stating? No, 30 second is showing some different. Okay, so we have a few trades in the pipeline. Okay, one Euro USD OTC went negative and GBP USD OTC went positive. Let's have a look on Euro USD OTC. Okay, so what exactly happened? Okay, so we opened a trade in the downward, but market recovered itself and market started moving into the upward direction. No worries, no worries. We can try to grab another opportunity. So SMAs are trying to intersect each other, and at the same time MACD is also moving towards the zero level. Two more trades are already in the pipeline. Let's see how they will end up, and we will stick to this asset so that we will not be missing this opportunity. And let me do one thing at the same time. Let me take some more comments. Okay. Okay. Okay, so let me take a few more comments. Traders, I'm requesting again, so if you are asking any question, I know that you are eager to get the answer. We are also considering that also, that we are also exploring all the comments every now and then. So do not spam these comments, because if we will start scrolling, because too many comments are there, so if we need to refresh the page, so there is a possibility that someone has asked something and we will miss their comments. So I request you for that. The platform promotes fixed time mode because it makes easy money for it. See, a Call of Duty, there is nothing like that. You can also trade this on the forex mode, or you can also trade on the what we call stocks mode. That is completely up to your choice. All setups are there, so it's completely up to you. Like why I am trading on fixed time trading for now, the reason behind is because that is more easy for me to show you that how this strategy works. Because in forex sometime we need to hold our position for n number of hours. So in the beginning of the session, if I'll open one more opportunity and I am not able to close that even before closing that session, then that is not going to showcase the complete picture, that whether the trade was positive, whether the technical was working good or not. So that is the reason that majority of time we are using it on the fixed time trading, but the set of rule of the technical is going to be remain same. Okay, so it's not like that in that one SMA will be acting in some another way. Here it will be a different manner. That is going to be remain same. All you just need to change the time frame. Let me just show you that also. So all you just need to focus on, like, let me show you on the forex itself. So I have opened gold in forex. So in that one, if I will be opening my opportunity for 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute, that is not going to create huge profit. So of course minimum chart time frame which I'll be suggesting to observe, that should be 1 hour or 4 hour. Okay, so whenever you will be finding any intersection, then you are going to open the position, and when the market will start moving into the opposite direction, you can close the position. So that's how you are going to open trade in the forex. So that's how. And apart from that, of course, you are going to use some multipliers, pending orders, auto close, like stop loss, take profit. These are some another aspect like which you can consider before opening any trade. Okay, so let me see a few more comments. MC Physical, hello sir, hello. I'm not seeing you, sir. I'm not getting like what exactly you're saying. Zishanji, yes, tell me like what you want me to. Okay. Mohammed Ismail Malik ji, hello, Ismail ji, assalamu alaikum. Okay, how can I trade with you? I came in very late. No worries, sir. Like whenever we are conducting these sessions, so majorly we are focusing only on the trading part, on the technicals part. We are not focusing on the copy trading, and that is something which I am suggesting also. The reason behind that, there is a telecast gap between 30 second to 1 minute. So there is a possibility that the trade which I will be opening in front of you right away, that will be visible to you after couple of candles, like after couple of seconds. So even though you can focus, or you can observe also, that try to observe the chart on my screen and try to observe the real time chart, so you will find there is some gap. So your real account, that will be a bit more ahead, because the telecast, like which I am having a conversation right away, that will be broadcasted to you after couple of seconds, so you will find a difference. Okay, so I only need support and guide on how to trade. See, Mr. Physical, you as you mentioned that you need some guidance in, or support that how to trade, then the best which I'll suggest, try to invest some time. I'm always used to say trading is not always about investing money, it's also about investing time. So make sure you also focus on that how the technicals are working. Then when you are using them, you need to apply them on your demo account. It's not like that, like I will understand a new technical, I will try to learn a new technical, and then directly I'll take it to my live account. You have to wait, you have to spend some time while practicing it on demo, because see, trading strategies are like medicine. It's not sure that something which is working for me, that will work same for you, or something which is working for you, that will work for me. So sometime we have to try and test it. Like, of course we can't test medicines on us, but technicals, of course, you can try and test. So the best which I'll suggest, try to use it on your demo account, open 70 to 100 trades, because I have seen some traders, those who are stating, sir, you taught me one strategy, I opened 10 trades and that strategy didn't work for me, so that is not a good strategy. This is not how you conclude something. Open minimum to minimum 100 trades, 70 to 100 trades, then conclude. Because see, in first 5 to 10 trades, you will just only focusing on that how the strategy is working, or you will be focusing on the basics, or of course at the same time you will be struggling to focus on them. In a second 20 trades, you will start grabbing hold on the basics, and that will be easy for you to come to know that when the signal is there or when the false signal is there. After some time, you will start finding some new set of rule, that okay, when the market is reacting like near the support or resistance level, how the market is reacting, how I should indulge that one along with my strategy. And then in the last couple of trades, you will observe everything, and then you will conclude everything, and then you will implement them, that okay, this is this support resistance level, here I need to focus on that part also. I am not supposed to open a trade when both the SMAs are quite near and they are moving parallel to each other, because they are stating that it's a consolidation market. So slowly and gradually you will start making your own set of rule, and then that set of rule will help you to conclude that whether it is working for you or not. And I completely understand spending taking 100 trades on live account, that is going to cost you a lot. At the same time, if you are trading on demo account, that is going to take a lot of time. But understand one thing, the basic rule of trading, what does it say? You can make capital if you have capital. And having capital in your trading account, that doesn't mean at all that you will keep on making deposits again and again. That means that whatever the deposits you have made, whether that is $10, $20, $100, whatever the amount, you are using it wisely. I know you will be spending some time, but that time will help you to save some extra bucks, and save some extra efforts, or save some time also to make recoveries. Because see, today you will be spending 1 hour or 2 hours while exploring this strategy, but you will not be losing some money because you are trading on demo account. So of course tomorrow you do not need to spend money and time to recover the losses which you have made today. So that is also going to save some time in tomorrow. So you should act accordingly. Okay, so how you are taking this strategy? Can you explain which line and when to trade, when to take the trade following strategy? Can you explain? Anish Jaji, for sure, I will try to explain it again, or you can scroll it back. So in this strategy, majorly we are having three major things. One thing I have already changed, like this strategy is based on the Heiken-Ashi candles, so I have changed it back to that. Oh, there was a very nice signal, man. We missed it. No worries. Let's try to grab it. Yeah. So let me explain that how this strategy exactly works. So three things. First, Heiken-Ashi candles. As I've already mentioned, the beauty of Heiken-Ashi candles, they are going to tell you that what can be the direction of the market with the help of their colors. So red means market downward, green means market upward. Easy, very easy peasy. Second one, SMA is simple moving averages. So two frequencies are going to be there, SMA 5, SMA 20, whatever is the direction of the lowest frequency while intersecting the higher one. I am repeating myself again. Whenever the lower frequency is going to intersect the higher one, in whichever direction the lower frequency is moving, that can be the direction of the market. So if we'll observe on this situation, so 5 intersected 22 in the downward, and we can observe the market is moving down. Now let's talk about the third confirmation which we are getting from the MACD. So there is a base level when you focus on the MACD, when you apply it for the first time, so that's how it is going to look like. So if you focus on that one, so there are three major things: MACD line, signal line, and histogram. So if you focus on these two, MACD line and signal line, so whenever they are going to intersect each other, the MACD line direction can be the direction of the market. But if you think that it's too complicated, so many colorful lines are there. So if you observe, when the MACD line is intersecting the signal line, in which direction, at the same time, this histogram line is also intersecting the base level in the same side. So you can either keep all of them together, or you can hide them and keep one, just to avoid some confusion. Once you will be getting all these confirmation all together, or there is a gap of max to max 1 to 2 candles, you can pick this this thing. Suggested time frame for this strategy is 1 minute for the chart, and the trade time frame is 2 to 3 candle. I believe, yeah, I was thinking that this trade might have went negative. The reason behind is, when I was talking about the gold forex trade, so at that time I have changed the chart time frame to 1 hour, and I have taken that trade in a hurry, so that trade went negative. No worries. So far, how many trades we have taken today? So let me see: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so let me see if this was the first trade. Yeah, so 10 trades we have taken so far with this strategy. So 1 and 2 and 3. 3 trades were negative, 1 was with our mistakes. So we will be considering out of 9, 7 trades were positive. Only 2 trades were negative. So strategy was working quite fine so far, but I'll not be recommending that directly take it to your live account. Just make sure you spend enough time while exploring this strategy. Sorry guys. Yeah, so make sure you spend enough time while exploring this strategy on your demo account. Once you will be grabbing hold on that one, then of course you can take it to your live account. Okay, so let me see. You are wasting the kindly guide how to see. Anish, I request, I respect that you were eager to get some information about the strategy, but I believe that we should be respectful to each other. I completely accept that your time is precious, but I was also occupied with something. How you are taking trades, explain the MACD properly. I have already explained. Still, if any doubt is there, you can explore the comment section. Zishan, I am so sorry, we are not allowed to add any funds, so I'm so sorry for that. Okay, hey Shan, music, I'm good. What about you, buddy? Okay, sir. Okay, so Tilak is saying, please give me 1500. Say Tilak, this is the same similar which I am telling to Zishan also, that we are not allowed to add any funds to the trader account. Max to max we can help you to improve your trading skills. Okay, so Adil ji is asking, sir, please translate the Hindi language. Adil ji, if you are asking that you want the same session in Hindi, so you can subscribe the channel, be part of the family, because on the same channel every Monday, Wednesday, Friday in English 6:30 to 7:30, and every Tuesday and Thursday we are conducting sessions in Hindi Urdu. So you can explore the channel, you can explore the playlist part as well at the same time. So in that one, I'm sure that you will be getting the previous conducted sessions, so you can explore that strategy there in Hindi as well. So traders, requesting again, so if you're new to the channel, be part of the family, make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of that, so whenever we will be coming live again, you will be able to connect with us, we will be able to talk to you, we will be able to guide you with different technicals, market news, market updates, trading mindset, and different things. Okay, and in the meantime, requesting you again, so if you have grabbed the opportunity, if you have learned the strategy properly, so I request you, make sure you practice it on your demo account. Once you will be able to grab a hold on that one, you can take it to your live account, and it's not only about investing money, it's also about investing time. So I'm sure that in case if you're short by the budget, and if you're not having funds to deposit, at least I am sure that you have time to invest. So make sure you learn the strategies, learn about everything, and once you will be able to, of course, you can apply them. What is the best 5-second OTC to trade on? See, Mr. Jonathan, again, there is nothing like that, which is the best one, which is the worst one. All you just need to focus on that where there is a proper movement. If the market is stuck, market is in the consolidation, there are no specific trends, or market is not moving into any specific direction, I'll suggest to take a break. Once the market will start making some movements, some candles are there, visible candles are there, then of course you can start taking trades on that one. And as I have already mentioned, 5-second trading can be quite risky, because very short duration timing is there. So of course, make sure you consider that part as well. Okay, so just a moment, let me see any further. Okay, so I believe I have covered all the comments, but in case if I have missed anything, I'm so sorry for that one. And again, requesting traders, if you have reached on the expert level, or if you were on the expert level and you were not able to grab that opportunity, make sure you connect with the support team, tell them that you need some guidance in trading, please raise a callback request, so we will come into the picture, we will line up your further sessions. And as I have already mentioned, all sessions are going to be free, of course. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for such a interactive session. I wish you a great day, successful trading ahead. Keep learning, keep earning. This was your host, your friend, financial expert, Kunal Kapoor. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Take care. Cheers.